Vectary Business workspaces are packed with features for companies prioritizing speed, security, and collaboration. Company admins set up access, viewing, or editing roles, and controls project accessibility even if team members change. Logging in with company email accounts provides more control and security over projects and assets. Private link sharing is a unique and valuable layer of protection that only users with access may see the 3D viewer, whether via link or embed. API-connected 3D configurators allow data access from multiple sources, expand project options, whether e-commerce or internal showcases. Collaborate better by adding 3D comments in 3D space to reduce misunderstandings and feedback loops. Once the project is embedded, a CDN enables faster access using local servers for optimal accessibility, regardless of location or device. Using your subdomain in the 3D viewer hides Vectary details from competitors and keeps your brand at the forefront. Cloning feature lets designers choose which project layers to share in the copied version. Vectary Business workspaces transform team workflows and provide high security. Schedule a demo with our team today.